No, the identical lunch is a tuna fish sandwich on wheat toast with lettuce and butter, no mayo, and a cup of soup or a glass of buttermilk. And this history is very simple. That I lived in Chelsea for many years, and I made the habit of eating at the same restaurant. And a friend, Philip Corner, observed that I usually had the same lunch. And I'm such a creature of habit, you wouldn't believe it. So he said, I think you have a performance piece here. So I began to have people come and join me for the lunch. And I discovered that over food, people are easier with each other. There you go. This is really good. Hold.
I'm always candy. All the time. I see you and say hi. And just like, you know, and eat something and chat. Exactly.
I forgot to tell you that Fluxus marks his 50th anniversary in Wiesbaden in September. And this piece, in fact, is 50 years old.
You like it? I see some skeptical faces over here.
It's good. Yeah, I'm not sure it's quite for me. I like it.
It was good.
It's pretty tasty.
It was a tuna fish sandwich smoothie.
Yeah.
It tastes like a tuna. It tastes exactly like a tuna fish sandwich, and it sort of defies your expectations because you're thinking you're eating a sandwich, but you're drinking a tuna fish smoothie. So it's a nice, unexpected culinary experience.
I don't see any wholehearted smiles. There's this
I don't know. I'm really enjoying it. This is my new way of drinking tuna fish sandwiches forever.